model and stuff for the Jujutsu Kaisen, which is an anime that very popular and trendy here in Thailand. Lots of people love it. Also me, including me, I love it. So all the model, all the thing, like you can see, even the book is very interesting. The different kind of model, I mean, like in the comic, in a comic way one, but the serious one as well. You can see here, and this is draw quite a lot attraction to Thai people. I mean, because we love it. We love this anime so much. You can see lots of stuff here. Lots of people came by just to visit, and I think many of them will buy it too.